Hey kiddos, I'm going to show you a really quick artwork of a snowman. Now normally when we draw a snowman, what shapes do you see? It's usually circles, right? And there will be 3 circles. A big one on the bottom, a middle one up above that, and a smallest one on top for the head. But today I want us to think about something called perspective. That word perspective, do you remember that word? Perspective means your point of view, the way you see things from wherever you are. So right now, your perspective of me is through the camera. But if I pick the camera up like this, your perspective of me changes. Whoa, now you can see my messy desk. So I want to show you how to make a snowman from up above, just like this, if you were looking down on it. So it's from a different perspective. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Have fun. Okay, to make your snowman from looking down below, take your sheet of paper, and if you have a large sheet, we can cut it in half. And we're gonna make 3 circles. The first circle will be the largest. So, on half your sheet, fold it. And what I like to do is make a curved line, like a rainbow, on the fold. When it's on the folded part like that, it'll make 2 sides. And I might make it a little bit bigger. You can also just draw the circle. And there's 1 circle. It's kind of an oval, but that's fine. Now, on the second sheet of paper, I want to make a smaller circle. So I'm going to cut my paper in half. Again, fold it. Draw a line, or again, you can just draw circles. You don't have to do it on the fold if this is challenging for you. And that will go right there. And then on the last piece, I want to make a smaller circle, so about half the size of the fold, right there. Like that. Oh, it's a little pointed. Let me cut off that point. Now, before I glue them on, I want to add a little shadow so that you can see each piece. So I'm going to take a blue crayon, and right around the edge, I'm going to color blue. And that way it looks like a shadow in the snow, a little sparkle. And I'll do that to my other circles as well. You could use watercolor paints for this part if you wanted to, or marker. There's some crayon. And now I'll take my glue. Ooh, that's some sticky glue. I'm gonna put the medium-sized circle right on top of the large circle. And the smallest one right in the middle. Now you can use crayon, you could cut paper. I'm gonna use marker right now to show a carrot nose. And I'm putting it on top because, again, it's like I'm looking down. 2 little eyes. My buttons will be right here. Let's make some little arms on the side. And then I'm gonna add a scarf. Let's get a red. See how my red works. I just colored along the edge here, and I'm putting a little V shape right there. And now I can take a black sheet of paper and glue it down if you want on the black paper. If you have white crayon, or chalk or white pastel. You can even make some more little snowflakes. You could do dots. I'm doing a letter, like a plus sign, a letter T with an X over it, just like this, to decorate my paper all around my snowman. Maybe I will even put some lines around it. And there's your snowman from down below.